Yeah, puppet combo video. We back at it again.
What time are you getting out? 6?
Wait, voice acting? Well, this is new.
Want me
Holy
to pick
crap.
you up?
No, I'll get a ride.
Perfect. I was just asking to be nice. I'll have a beer for you later. Have fun.
Pardon me. Amber, if you knew me, I don't drink beer. I don't drink this. Well, sorry. Forgive me for not introducing. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is MC, and as you can see, I've got a face cam. Yeah, I figured that out on OBS Studios, and I thought, why not try it out? And this lovely mask, I made myself, and it is very lovely. And it is currently, well, it's 10:30, so, and also I am also editing like a rec room video. But anyways, yeah. So we are playing Nightshift. This is a puppet combo horror game. This is also uh Stay Out of the House. I'll leave a link in the description and in the comment section on where you can download it for free through the archives. So yeah. And anyways, let's get into it. And also, I did not know this had voice acting. Like when it first came out, there were no voice acting. I thought it was like that, but this is brand new. This is totally all new, man. Damn. Hello,
Just
hats.
in time. Hurry up and punch in. I've got a hot tonight.
With who?
Wouldn't you like to know? Come on, I've got to go.
Is the
Sorry,
did you
dude.
sweep the?
That was too
Oh,
bad.
for goodness sake. Sorry, dude. I was too
Hey,
busy.
Rick left Alyssa side work to do on your shift. Now I've got to get out of here. Oh yeah, one more thing. I can't find the keys anywhere. The bathrooms are locked up.
Bruh.
So go behind the dumpster, I guess.
Alrighty then. I'm fine with that. Anyways, have a good day, my man.
Good date.
If my calculations are correct,
Bruh.
I'm rounding third base of 1 hour and 16.32 seconds.
Alright, mate, I know you're not going on a date, man. You're going on a date with your bloody calculator or your bloody Xbox 360. Bruh. Sheesh. What's this? Our Drew Massacre! Oh, this is a pixelated version, or like the, an arcade version. Oh my goodness, if you guys haven't watched the, if you guys never watched my older videos, which I mean were like made last year or before, I did Power Drill Massacre. That was the first puppet combo game I ever did, but I didn't finish it because the controls, I wasn't used to the controls. And yes, you can, if you go to that video, you can, I have the link in the description and the comment section on where you can download for free. So yeah. Oh. Wait, can we actually play this? Dude, no way. This is sick. Oh no, Jake! Jeff, wake up! Oh, for goodness. No, Jake! Jeff, off! Look at me. Jeff, wake up. Oh, that's too late now. Oh, okay. That's nice. Where does it unlock this? No. Oh, well, that's it. No. Let's try it. Nope, it's not unlocking that. Any more keys? Nope, nothing. No more keys. Oh, so we need to find 3 keys to get out. Okay, that's nice. Oh, you still got me. I hate that it still got me. Anyways, let's do this. Honestly, this is actually quite. No, you don't. No, you don't. Piss off. Oh, piss. I'm at a dead end. Oh, no! Oh, we can play. Oh, never mind. You know what? Let's just clock in what he said. I think we're going here. Ah, there it is. The clock in card. Or the punch in. Oh, punch in. All right, that guy's on a date. Oh, is this the list? I cannot read that. The static in the middle is
Bruh.
but never mind. Oh, this is better. Hey guys, sorry the phone line isn't fixed. You have to bear with me until the repair guy comes. Don't worry. I'm not expecting any emergencies. I need you guys to do a better job on the side work during your shift. I'm expecting this to be finished when I come by in the afternoon. Okay, fine, Rick. Okay, here's a list of things to do. 1. Sweep the floors. Place items that weren't purchased back where they belong. Clean the bathrooms. Well, the bathrooms are locked, so... Alright. Motor oil. Chips and beer. Okay. Oh, is this where you go? Okay. Yep, that's where the motor oil goes. And the beer. Alrighty. So we got that ticked off the list. Now, let's just go. Yep, that's the broom. Now let's start sweeping. Gonna be a long night shift. Sorry, I got the thing playing in the background. Wait, is that Xi Jinping? Wait, is that Xi Jinping? Dude, Xi Jinping is on this. Oh! Oh, never mind. It's just mostly porno. Anyways, let's just sweep this. Oh, wait. Sorry, I had to... Oh my goodness. Come on, nearly finished sweeping. Bloody Cats didn't do his job. Said it was busy. We're in the middle of nowhere! We're a gas station in the middle of nowhere, completely isolated in the country. And you're saying it was so busy, mate. Oh, I can't leave the store. Oh, damn it. Yo, this is creepy. Yeah. I'm actually really happy, surprised, and actually astounded that they added in voice acting, which is awesome.
Hi, can you give me $10 on pump 5?
Sure, man.
Thanks.
Damn, dude, you look like Rattle. Can I get your autograph? Oh, man. Yeah. We're booking night shift. And also, let's try... Actually, let's see if we can unlock the back door. Can the back door be unlocked? Nope. We got a gumball machine. Oh, and we got the Fanta, and then we got the Coke, and then we got the Sprite. And then we got the Coke, then we got the Sprite, then we got the... I actually don't know what drink that is. Is that like Mountain Dew? Like red Mountain Dew? Cherry Mountain Dew? Or is it just Coke? Like this is this is Coke Vanilla, and that's actually no, that would be Coke. Coke isn't red. I don't know, it's something. I don't know, is it like a cherry drink? Is it Fanta raspberry? Something like that? Oh crap, I can jump. Oh, that's actually cool. So yeah, we got a bunch of magazines that's mostly porno, and one looks like it's Xi Jinping. And then we got I think that's a microwave. We got paper towels, some straws, some napkins. Oh, donuts. Oh, and there's no hot dogs. And then we got the bulk. We got the soda. And you can pick any option you like. There's bulk, and bulk. And is that another customer? Nah, that ain't a customer, man. That's a bloody serial killer. Yeah, that's the bloody serial killer. This is why if you're in an isolated place, always have the phone lines working. And bloody hell, always have a spare phone. And two, oh no, is that free? Oh no, wait. One, always have someone else with you here. And if not, go to step two. Always keep a spare phone. And then there's step three. Have a gun under the table. Have a gun under the register. Always do that. Especially when you're in America. You know what? Let's play a bit of Drill Massacre. Why not? Oh, you piss. Alright, let's actually check it. Oh, there's a customer. Alright. Damn. Oh, no, that's... I actually don't know what car that is. Anyways.
Hi.
Where you headed?
East. I didn't realize how spooky it is over here before I stopped.
Yeah, before you do anything like that, call the cops. Tell them to come here right now, because there is some weirdo in a van that keeps stalking me. He's stalking and he's looking to check if there's at least one person, and that's me. So please, call the police. Well, give me a shotgun.
Can I have a pack of Banshee red filters?
Okay, we'll give you some cigarettes.
Thanks. Oh, can I use the bathroom?
Oh, I can't open it. Sorry, ma'am.
Well, that's weird.
Thank you. Alright, so now we just gotta... What the hell do we do? Like, we can't open the back... Let's actually check if the back door's open now. Is the back door open? Have you ever thought of breaking down the door? Nope. I guess we're on another session of Power Drill Massacre. There's nobody here. There is absolutely nobody here. Who the hell is that? Wait, is he holding a knife? Hey, yo, get behind the counter, man. Hello? Wait, is he holding a gun? Oh, wait. Oh, for Christ's sake.
There's a customer coming.
I thought he was holding a gun. It's the bloody glove. Oh.
Hi. You here all alone?
No, my co-worker's in the back. Bro, this man is gliding. Actually, I should stop doing that. I don't want to glitch out of this world. Bro, why the hell are you looking at me like that? Bro, why is he slowly moonwalking throughout the store? Is he like scanning? Why are you stopping at the motor oil section? What the hell was that? Bro, why the hell is he looking at me like that? Bro. Bro, he's looking at me! Dude, he is straight up... Dude, this guy is bad news. He's probably the killer or in cahoots with the killer. There's a possibility of that. Oh yeah, you finally picked a beer out of going through all these sections of the store. Okay, you can take your bottle of beer and please leave. Thank you very much for shopping at. I don't know what store it is. Yeah, finally happy that ended. Let's actually check how the back's doing. Let's see if it magically opened again. Nope. It's open. Man's gone. Actually, it's good to have the back door locked. Keep that back door locked, man. The bloody killer's gonna come out from the other side. Nah, man. Pardon me. Yo, I think it's about time I clucked out. Nah, screw this, man. I'm running. Goodbye, Quick Mart. I'm off. See ya. Okay, well, I'd have to. Great, we're gonna have to go back. This sucks. Bro, this is actually making me nervous. Used to be nothing here. Nothing here. Oh yeah, we're supposed to clean this, right? No, I'm not going back in there. I'm hiding in the toilets, man. Give me that. Close that. Yep. Piss that. No, I can't. I can't. For some reason. Why is it making me so nervous? Why is this making my heart rate go up? Bro, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. What am I supposed to do? My goodness. What the? Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys want to get this game for free, I'll leave a link in the comment section and in the description, or in the description and through the comment section, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, that's all for today's video, and we will continue this. And anyways, hope you guys have a good day.